Oh, hi guys. How you doing? Oh, things are falling on the ground. Welcome to another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. Today, we're working on our 1973 Dodge pickup, part 3 of the series.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget.
So, last episode we covered putting in a 1993 heater core, heater box into our 1973 cab, modifying the firewall and everything so it would accept the later heater core and box. We can have AC in a more modern heater core that isn't 50 years old. So, and the parts are more easy to get. So, today we're going to be finishing that up. We're going to get our dash firmly secured and mounted. To do that, we're going to actually pull our windshield back out because it's got some screws on the top that have to go in. And then we're going to run our 1993 wiring and just overall get the underneath but the dash all buttoned up. Put the radio in, probably run the wires for the radio because, you know, why not? And then just overall get it ready, and that way we can get our carpet out, get that laid out, and get the whole inside the cab cleaned up. I'd like to probably go around and wash all the door frames and everything, so you got quite a bit of dust in them. And then we got new door seals to put in, front and back. We got new window sweeps to put in, and then some door panels. Door panels actually still got to be dyed to the correct color. We're going to do like a darker gray to match the seats and everything. I think I have it pinpointed down to just about the right color. So, yeah. This is another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage.
That's much too early. Prepare to fast forward. Preparing to fast forward.
That is your chance to be rude. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life.
Alright guys, so I didn't tape all of that because it was rather boring. It was me running back and forth from the old firewall and making measurements, but I went and got our ductwork for our heater all squared up and lined up. Had the drill holes, obviously, because the old holes for the old heater core were entirely different, but this is exactly where it should be. I did go ahead and measure for this mount. This is what keeps your glove box and pretty much secures the whole middle area of your dash. I believe this is called the ABS module. I did go ahead and plug that in. Don't know if it's going to trip the ABS light on the dash. I gotta look more into it, but it's plugged in and mounted for now. Our heater controls are hooked back up. I did order a new heater cord or heater cable because this one's a little bit stiff. I did lube it, but it's just not where I want it to be. This wire is actually for our door, ajar, buzzer, your buzzer noisers. So I went and hooked that up. The old 70s style took a bullet terminal, and so I actually, in the newer style, took a spade. So I cut the spade off and put a bullet terminal on there. So when we do, you know, we should have all of our annoying buzzer noises that you'd want, I guess. Yeah, I was there, so I figured why not do it. So, and it's extra wires. I like to plug everything in, so stuff like this will be our glove box light, And we just got our radio controls. Got to get our ashtray hooked back up. Yeah, just little stuff like that. But we're to the point at the moment now where we can, I think, probably put our dash back on here for the final time, plug everything in, and get everything routed. I think we're about to that point, so, which is good. That's where I wanted to be. All of them our vacuum lines and everything look pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with that. That bolt's actually loose right there, so we probably should tighten that. Yeah, somebody left that loose when they rebuilt the heater core. Good job, nice job. So, but yeah, I think we're ready to swing the other dash in here and plug in the rest of everything. And yeah, I'd like to get the dash in here, get it mounted, and finish all this. Then I get the windshield put back in. That's a big milestone, at least for this project. So it is hot and very humid, and they're calling for rain. So I got a boogie because there's no glass, and I don't want to get all this wiring wet. Haven't got any of the wiring wet so far, and yeah, I don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and swing the dash in here.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget.
Alright guys, it's late. We have to hopped on some YouTube lives. But we got the whole dash in, except the glove box. We have to go over and get that. Sitting in storage. We have the whole assembly. We got some seats, kind of just sitting in there. And then got the old visor. I don't know whether you can see it. We got that mounted up on there. So it's got all the finest of Lund accessories. All the Lund. Oh, can't see it. Lund. So it's fancy, but no way you can see me. Here, we'll go like this. But that's another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. We didn't get as much done as we hoped, but we're waiting on some parts, waiting on some mirrors and other stuff. But yeah, so catch y'all on the next one, and please remember, they don't move until you do.